Is it taped up? Let me see. It is taped up. Okay. Open the box. What's that?
A shark.
Hold it up.
I ain't sure.
I had a feeling that was coming.
I knew that was coming.
Yeah.
She said it was coming. Okay, you gotta hold it up like this. Turn it around like this. Hold it up. Like that. Say thanks, Aunt Loretta.
Since